Lou and Bob just received their Java assignment due tomorrow, so they packed their bags and they rushed back home. Lou is gonna start studying soon, just a quick bite first. Eventually, it's 6 p.m. and Lou starts working.
Damn, this assignment is hard. What even is a thread in Java?
Lou tries to ask ChatGPT, but that's just a dead end. He messages Bob hoping that he will have the answer. No reply. Back to TikTok. At 9 p.m., Lou made a wonderful assignment ready to be sent in. The next day in class, Lou asks Bob,
Where the hell have you been?
Bob replies with, that assignment was super easy. I finished in 90 minutes. After that, I went to get some ice cream with my friends. What did Bob do differently? This one book completely changed the game for me as a computer science student. As the title suggests, it's about focusing on one thing. Okay, let me tell you a story. There is this second year course called Algorithm Design. This course basically taught you the most complex algorithms you could possibly think of as a student. You had greedy algorithms, you had divide and conquer algorithms, you had network flow algorithms, dynamic programming, all that wonderful jazz. I love this course so much I did it 3 times, but not on purpose. You see, I failed that class 3 times. There was a time where I was going to do the course for the 4th time. I had to pass it this time. That's where this book comes in. A very interesting thing that I learned from this book is called the domino theory. Now, okay, imagine this. You are a computer science student and you have a lot of things to study for an exam, right? You have a bunch of topics. Now, you can be like an average computer science student and go study those things one by one, okay? Or you can take a different approach using the domino theory. The domino theory suggests which set of tasks can I study first, such that if I study that first, all of the other tasks will be basically irrelevant. Let's elaborate on that further. When I was studying for my algorithm design course, we had a coding test and we had a written test. The coding test was where we had to code these algorithms out on a computer as our exam. The written test, on the other hand, was a test where we had to do all these complex proofs on paper, okay? We had to analyze the algorithm, all the time complexity stuff. That's boring. You don't need to know what that is. But basically, after sitting down a while and looking at my course, trying to come up with what can be the domino theory for this course, I realized it was as followed. For me, if I could look at an algorithm and code it properly and understand how it works in a coding fashion, then understanding it for the theory would be a no-brainer. And I'm not talking about memorizing the algorithm. I'm talking about fundamentally understanding the algorithm. Just practicing the coding aspect for my exam, I was able to study for my written exam in one go. Now, this might sound very obvious, but that's what really helped. So for me, the plan was clear. I was going to set out one block of time where I was just going to practice algorithms. I was just going to code these algorithms until I understood them, breaking them apart, debugging it, trying to figure out exactly what's happening. And so for 3 months I did this, and before you knew it, I passed the exams, and it was very easy. Not only did I pass with flying grades, I also got an Amazon internship out of it. That's because the interview at Amazon literally covered the same topics as my course. So I was able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's think about an actionable step for now, while we use the domino theory. I want you to think about the most difficult course you're going through right now. Okay, great. Try this with me. What is one skill you can learn to make studying for this exam really easy? Give some thought to that. Let me know how it goes in the comments for you. That is how I stay motivated for my computer science projects. If you like this video, click the red button, join our movement. I want to create as many cool software engineers as we possibly can create. I want us to become visionary, ambitious, charming developers so that in the next 20 years, we can look back and be happy about the progress that we put in together. We shouldn't be like those developers that are anxiety filled and depressed in those big companies that we want to work at. While we are in university, we must build the solid foundations that will allow us to launch ourselves in the future. Okay? Life is a gift given by the gods to make a proper use of it. I'll check you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Figure out what that one skill is and you should be fine. Take it easy. Love you. Take care. Bye.